Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ba'du. Okay everyone, my name is Hatar Ayar Kanalim. You can call me Hatar. Today I want to give a story about Rasulullah biography. First, this biography of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad was born in city of Mecca in the Arabian Peninsula in the year 570 CE. He was a member of the noble Quraysh tribe and belonged to the Banu Hashim clan. His father Abdullah passed away before his birth, and his mother Aminah passed away when he was just 6 years old. He was cared for by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and later by his uncle Abu Talib. Despite the challenge of being an orphan, he grew up with strong moral character and was well known for his honesty and sincerity. From a young age, Muhammad was known for his honesty, integrity, and wisdom. He earned the title Al-Amin. Among the people of Mecca, he worked as a merchant and was renowned for his fair dealings. His reputation as a truthful and reliable person led to his marriage to Khadijah, a wealthy and noble businesswoman, when he was 25 years old. Khadijah was 15 years older than him, but their marriage was one full of mutual respect and companionship. She was his greatest supporter and the first person to believe in his prophethood. At the age of 14, Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Jibril in the cave of Hira, located in the mountain near Mecca. This marked the beginning of his prophethood. Overwhelmed and shaken by the experience, he returned home where Khadijah comforted him and assured him of his noble character. The revelation continued, and he began preaching the message of Islam, calling people to worship one God, Allah, and to lead a life of righteousness, justice, and compassion. His message faced strong opposition from the Quraysh leader, who saw it as a threat to their power and tradition. Many of his followers were persecuted and even killed for accepting Islam. Despite severe hardship, Prophet Muhammad and his followers remained steadfast. He continued to spread the message of Islam with passion, wisdom, and perseverance. In 622 CE, after facing years of persecution, he and his followers migrated to Medina, and even known as the Hijrah, which marks the beginning of the Islam calendar. Harmonious society based on Islamic principles. He formed alliance with various tribes and established the Constitution of Medina, which was a groundbreaking document ensuring religious freedom and justice for all inhabitants, regardless of their faith. His leadership in Medina transformed the city into a model of coexistence unity and faith. Over the next several years, Prophet Muhammad and his followers faced numerous challenges including battles against the Quraysh. Some of the most significant battles include the Battle of Badr, where the Muslims achieved a decisive victory despite being outnumbered, and the Battle of Uhud, where they faced setback but learned valuable lessons in faith and perseverance. The Battle of the Trench was another pivotal moment in Islamic history, where the Muslims defend Medina against a large coalition force by digging strategic trench around the city. Over the preference, the Battle of Trench was another pivotal moment in Islamic history, where the Muslims defended Medina against a large coalition force by digging a strategic trench around the city. Despite these hardships, Prophet Muhammad continued to advocate for peace and reconciliation whenever possible. Eventually, in 613, he peacefully entered Mecca with his followers, marking the conquest of city. Instead of seeking revenge against his former enemies, he forgave them, demonstrating his immense mercy and kindness. Idols in the Kaaba were destroyed, and the city of Mecca became the spiritual center of Islam. People from all over Arabia embraced Islam, and the message of the religion spread rapidly. Continued to guide his followers with wisdom and compassion until he passed away in the year 632 CE in Medina at the age of 63. His final sermon, delivered during his last pilgrimage, emphasized the principle of justice, equality, and the importance of following the Quran and his teaching. He reminded Muslims to treat each other with kindness and to uphold the rights of all people. His personal qualities set an example for leadership, humility, and passion. He was known for his deep concern for the well-being of others, commitment to justice, and his dedication to prayer and worship. Despite his high status and as a prophet, he lived a simple and humble life and in household chores, helping the needy and treating everyone with fairness and respect. His teaching and example remain source of guidance for a million Muslims. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is all mistake. I'm at Mas Aisai, I'm at Rekan Alim. Sorry if there is all mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.